Welcome back once again. Thank you for watching my videos. Today I will be showing you my Skunk2 cam gears. One of my brothers gave me this cheap 3 built right here. He actually gave me these for free. These run for like $100 and something, so that's $100 something I ain't had to spend. But other than that, yeah, that's something I didn't have to spend $100 and something on. These are Skunk2s. I know they're faded a little bit. All I gotta do is spray some brake clean on it and that'll go right away. But other than that, shout out to my boy Cheat 3. And yeah, I'll tag him on my videos. I usually put the tags as Cheat 3 if anything he gave me or anything he worked on. That's the guy that's gonna be actually installing my motor and putting it all apart, putting it all together and everything. So yeah. Alrighty, you guys, so I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching my videos. If you haven't watched my other videos, just like I said, just click on it, just give me a view and exit. All I want is a view. It don't take that much to just click and exit since you want to be browsing all through YouTube. But that ain't none of my business. So alright, thank you for watching my videos and have a great day. God bless you. Adios, peace. See y'all.